The DONGS CNC is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of CNC lathe, CNC turning center, vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, CNC gantry machining center and precision 5-axis machining center machines, and other products. We are located in Tengzhou City, Shandong Province, the China's machine tool capital. We have 40 years of experience in machine tool manufacturing, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Our company has a series of advanced equipment including precision guideway grinder, precision gantry processing center, ensure machining accuracy. In addition, we have obtained CE and ISO 9001 certificates. Our products are selling well across all cities and provinces in China and are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Russia, Belarus, Turkey, South Africa, Chile, Argentina, Portugal, Brazil, Poland, UK. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.